love the idea of capturing joyous moments in the everyday. It just makes life brighter. There's always something special at every turn, so I'm glad I have a camera that makes professional photography as easy as seeing and clicking. Canon's EOS 600D. With its fast DIGIC 4 imaging processor, I'm ready to capture my favorite scenes in an instant. Along with an 18 megapixel CMOS sensor, I can even crop my photos with details and all, intact. I like framing my shots in the quickest possible time, and the 3-inch wide vari-angle LCD screen lets me do just that. With a sharp high-resolution screen and access to all shooting modes, composing with live view shooting is a convenient shortcut to great-looking photos. Oh, and have I gushed about the screen's flexibility? I can't count how many times the vari-angle LCD has saved me from retaking the same scene over and over again. Since I'm able to swivel the screen in almost any direction, you can bet there's no perspective I haven't explored. With so much to take in, I trust Scene Intelligent Auto to detect and analyze what I'm seeing. Every setting from exposure and focus to color and lighting is automatically tweaked by the camera. In this view, I can faithfully preserve the natural beauty of these flowers by reducing the bright colors that might oversaturate the picture. This mode also tracks and records movement with precision, so my daughter always remains in focus, even when she's a little fast. Taking portrait shots are simpler than ever. No matter who's behind the camera, our faces appear sharp and perfectly exposed while beaming with the right skin tone. With the built-in feature guide, I know exactly what every function in the camera does. That means less trial and error and more beautiful shots with every click of the shutter.
Still you are, and always close to me.
Darkness is a challenge when trying to properly expose my scene, but with the right lighting, my subject is refreshingly dramatized. Take this instance. By pairing the EOS 600D's integrated speed light transmitter with a simple, easy wireless option, my Speedlight 320EX external flash unit can automatically sync with the camera's built-in flash, giving me a well-balanced picture. Believe it or not, video recording in the dark is a simple affair, since the Speedlight 320EX also has an LED video light I can turn on for continuous luminance. Sometimes, still photos have trouble keeping up with life's more animated moments. That's when video recording comes to my rescue. Shooting in full HD at 24, 25 or 30 frames per second with the EOS 600D lets me relive the joys of yesteryear in all their original glory. There's another great reason to shoot in full HD. Only in this mode can I engage advanced movie crop, which magnifies the frame by 3 to 10 times while maintaining full HD resolution. So I never miss a defining moment, even if it seems just out of reach. There are plenty of endearing memories I want to treasure forever, and this is where Video Snapshot really shines. By being able to take bite-sized video clips of 2, 4 or 8 seconds, seizing the carefree moments couldn't be more fun. What's more, I can combine them all. and add my own soundtrack to form one joy-filled highlight reel. It's all done within the camera too. When words can't describe the breathtaking views of Mother Nature, the EOS 600D's Basic Plus Ambient Selection can. With it, I can remember scenes the way I want to remember them, with equal parts awe and emotion. Using the intense setting here lowers brightness in the composition and really brings out the landscape's vibrancy. While the warm setting expresses my loved ones in a tender glow, Vivid is great for drawing out the true colors of subjects. I love playing up the mood of my composition, so I'll let you in on a secret to create the exposure you desire, Basic Plus. But this time, I'll select Shoot by Lighting or Scene Type and choose from a variety of dynamic styles. On an overcast day like today, the cloudy setting helps the right colors to stand out and restore warmth to my picture, so everything appears more expressive and rich. Alright, time to have a little fun with my images with the built-in creative filters. There's no need for complicated editing software here. Just pick a filter like the toy camera effect, then choose a color tone to change the texture of the exposure. Finally, sorting out my recorded photos takes no effort with a user-friendly interface and folder options. By categorizing my saved images into any of my created folders, I can browse, protect, or erase them with ease. I can even resize my photos so they'll fit right in my digital photo frame and web page. When that's done, the slideshow feature lets me add multiple transition effects and background music to show off my precious pictures in style. Canon, delighting you always.